umbrella's working.
Oh my god!
I'm still getting wet. Oh man. Woo! Are you guys gonna take a shower when you get home? Oh, a nice hot shower? Man. Hey, can we take a picture of the dog and the ghost? Man. What?
I think it was shaky.
Oh.
You're probably warmer than me.
Well, when I get in the car, I'll turn the heat on, okay?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Okay. I'll turn the heat on when I get in the car, okay? I'm walking here. Man, I gotta change my shoes, my socks. I gotta go to work in the morning.
Hazel, if you don't get to moving, I will get to stuff it.
You wanna go have a drink?
No.
At the city pub?
Fast walk. Fast walk over to the car now.
Man, I thought the rain was done. That's why I left the ponchos in the car. Would you have done a poncho?
She doesn't know what one is.
We're doing it.
Hazel, you should be more grateful that you can get into your car. People have to wait on those grounds and dance around. If you did not bring extra clothes, I can have you borrow mine. What? Did you bring extra clothes?
Yes, I did.
That's what I
Yes, we did.
I'm soaking wet.
No.